this because they were going whoa, and he started going whoa, whoa,
See if she'll
whoa,
do
and,
it
like,
for you,
combined the
Jess.
two.
Hey.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
She's okay.
Hi.
Okay.
Now you're just gonna chew on it? Yeah.
Bite down. She says, oh, that's nasty.
She's not ill.
Tastes like lemon soap.
It wasn't Billy Corgan, it was...
Chris Cornell.
Thank you. I don't know why I forget that name.
Yeah.
Nope.
Yeah. It's your big old brown eyes. I think.
Yeah.
So they looked like earlier.
Look at the little box that came in.
We had that thing before it had taken out of the bank account. They had already sent it, and 2 days later, after getting that ring, they took it out of the bank account. Well, wow, it's trusting.
I don't think it's actually...
Hell, it might not be. Usually I thought